Hello, everyone. Have you ever been so angry you felt like you could blow your top? This phrase might sound confusing at first, but understanding it will greatly improve your English communication. Let me tell you a funny story about a friend named Alex. Alex heard someone say, "I'm so mad, I could blow my top." Alex looked worried, thinking, oh no, will their head really explode? Of course, heads don't actually explode. This is an idiom. Today, we will learn the true meaning of blow your top and how to use it correctly. So, what does blow your top really mean? It means to suddenly become very angry. It describes a moment when someone loses control of their temper. It's a figurative expression, not literal. Think of it as an explosion of emotion, not a physical one. The anger builds up until it bursts out. Imagine a character named Sarah. She had a tough day. Her car broke down, and she spilled coffee on her shirt. She stayed calm through it all. But then, her computer crashed, and she lost all her work. At that moment, she couldn't take it anymore and yelled in frustration. She blew her top. Here are some example sentences to help you understand. First, my dad will blow his top if he sees the broken window. This means his anger will erupt when he discovers the damage. Second, don't make her blow her top. She's already stressed. This suggests avoiding actions that would trigger her anger. Third, the boss blew his top when the project was delayed again. This means the boss became very angry due to the repeated delay. These examples show how the idiom is used in everyday situations. For a memory aid, imagine a boiling kettle. The water heats up, pressure builds inside, and then steam blows out the top with a whistle. That's like someone getting angrier and angrier until they blow their top and their anger bursts out. The pressure of emotions builds up. This idiom became popular in the mid-20th century. It's related to the idea of pressure building up until an explosion, much like a volcano or a pressure cooker. There are many similar sayings. To lose your temper, fly off the handle, or hit the roof all mean to get very angry. On the other hand, to keep your cool, stay calm, or hold your tongue are opposites, meaning to remain peaceful. A related saying is a short fuse, which describes someone who gets angry very easily. They don't need much to blow their top. A common mistake is saying blow the top instead of blow your top. Remember, it's a personal action, so you blow your top. Now, let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. Question: if someone is about to blow their top, they are feeling very. Is it choice A, happy, choice B, angry, or choice C, sad? Take a moment to think about the answer. The correct answer is B, angry. If someone is about to blow their top, they are feeling very angry. Well done if you got that right. To wrap up, blow your top means to get very angry suddenly. Knowing this idiom helps you understand native English speakers better. It's a vivid way to describe intense frustration or rage. Keep practicing these new phrases to improve your fluency. Have you ever seen someone blow their top? Share your experiences in the comments below. We love to hear from you. If you enjoyed today's content and found it helpful, please like this video and follow our channel for more English lessons. See you next time.